Rightio fishermen, here we are, Hamurana in a light northeaster on a cloudy day. Just doing a bit of spinning. We'll see if we can produce something. So by all means, come along and have a squizzy. Rightio fishermen, we got a fish on. Got a light northeaster blowing. Bit of a bend in the rod there, which is good. There it is, right there. There we go. Which way we are? We are that way. There's a nice little fish. Lovely little jack. Quick release. Rightio campers. We're into another fish. Good one this time. He's taking some line. Only got 6 pound nylon on. You can't swing on them too heavily. Get him to the net. See what he's like. Let him go. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful 2.5 pound rainbow. Stunning condition. Beautiful for here. Have a good account of himself. A bit of damage with the hook. We may have to change those hooks again. Go to something less intrusive. Does a bit of damage to their mouths, eh? So I think we'll go back to our old one. That's a stunning fish. Look.